What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's video we're going to find out, are we going to break out from this bullish pattern and reach a price target of 20,444? But guys, are we going to break out from an even bigger pattern and come all the way to the level of 22,500 US dollars? Guys, we're going to find out all of that in this video. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's start with the video. Welcome back to B4Crypto, and guys, before we're going to start with today's content, I want to shout out a special birthday wish for Chris from MMCRYPTO. Enjoy your day, mate. So are we going to see this massive birthday pump for Chris? Guys, we're going to find out all of that in today's video. So guys, let's go over to the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. And guys, as you can see, we broke out from this falling wedge. And guys, are we going to reach our first price target all the way at the levels of 20,400 US dollars? Because if we break out from this falling wedge and we see a confirmed breakout, we could reach the top of the wedge, which is exactly at the levels of 20,400 US dollars. So guys, this would be our first price target if we break out from these regions. And guys, as you can see, I've opened this trade exactly here at the levels of 19,475. Guys, if you want to trade all these moves, go down in the video description below to receive a major deposit bonus if you sign up with my BitGet link. And guys, make sure to be in my free Telegram group because guys, I posted this trade a few minutes ago. So guys, don't miss out on these free trades and these signals. So guys, are we going to reach these levels? Yes, I really do believe that we're going to reach the top of the wedge. But guys, wait, if you watched the video of yesterday, you already know that we are in this ascending triangle. And guys, if we break out from this ascending triangle, we have a price target of 22,500 US dollars. And that would bring us all the way to this resistance point that we have exactly here in these levels. So guys, maybe we're going to see this massive breakout from this falling wedge and even this breakout from this ascending triangle, which will bring us all the way to these levels of 22,500 US dollars. And guys, we're going to go on the daily chart to find out where these levels are and what would be the next move for Bitcoin on the daily chart. So guys, you can see that our first price target from this falling wedge is exactly at this resistance point of 20,400 US dollars. So guys, our next price target, the breakout from this ascending triangle, would be exactly here, the 22,500 US dollars. And guys, you can see that it was major resistance before, so it could be that we're going to reach these levels and then consolidate in these levels. And guys, this would be really bullish for Bitcoin because guys, if we go on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, then you can see that this weekly candle is about to close green, and that is bullish for Bitcoin, guys. So if we're going to establish that the price movement of Bitcoin will stay above the 20,000 US dollar level, I think we're going to see a bullish move for Bitcoin in the coming weeks and maybe even reach our price target of 25,000 US dollars in the next couple of weeks. So guys, if you always want to stay updated and if you want to trade these major moves, go down in the video description below, subscribe, like, and follow my BitGet link, and also be a part of my Telegram group. So guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.